Hello, we are Paco Salas, Richard Ty, and Abraham Washer. We are current students at the University of Houston and will be explaining Porter's virtual value chain. We will start with a brief introduction and will go into describing the virtual value chain, which evolved from Porter's value chain. Porter's value chain consists of physical activities which are either primary or supportive. An organization should run these activities at an optimum level to achieve competitive advantage. Information was used to capture inventory, control processes, production, or logistics, but seldomly used to create value for the customer. Technology development was before listed as a supportive activity, but now it had become a value itself through information. That meant that organizations needed to use technology in order to be more efficient. By combining all the primary tasks as a whole with information technology for value creation, by using a framework which consisted of visibility, mirroring capability, and the creation of new customer relationships. Managers must turn raw information into value creation. This is done by collecting the raw information and adding value by performing a sequence of 5 activities: gathering, organizing, selecting, synthesizing, and distributing information. FedEx used the World Wide Web and their information on shipment to enable the customer the ability to track the package online. This created value to the customer, which in turn increased loyalty in a competitive market. Visibility. Companies use information to view physical activities more effectively. The virtual value chain is used to coordinate the activities of the physical value chain in planning, implementation, and with the ability to assess events with greater precision and speed. Managers can see their operations more effectively through the information world. Physical value chain can now be seen as an integrated system rather than a set of isolated related activities. Physical steps in the virtual value chain may be substituted with virtual ones to create a parallel value chain in the marketplace with faster, better, cost-effective, and more flexible steps. Businesses duplicate their once physical activities for virtual ones by producing these parallel activities in the market space. The virtual product incorporated the laws of physics and material sciences enabled an evolving computer simulator model in a virtual wind tunnel. Each virtual prototype had almost zero incremental costs, which meant testing endless possibilities. This would have resulted in 20 years on physical testing and a good amount of money. Boeing delivered a product that outperformed competition at a lower cost and less amount of time with the mirroring capability. New customer relationships. This stage occurs when companies use the following information in the virtual value chain to create customer relationships. Businesses create value to the customer by new means and fashions. Like the FedEx example I mentioned earlier, they created a value by offering customers a service free of charge which no one else offered. In return, they received customer loyalty and a relationship was made. The new relationship between business and customer is strongly based on using IT. Thank you for listening, and I hope what you heard was informative.